This Remax Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. Rare find. Large updated home with 6 bedrooms and 4 baths in City of Shelby. Convenient location near Uptown Shelby, dining, entertainment, etc. Home has new roof, wiring, water heater, 2 heat pumps, sheetrock and windows. New vinyl flooring throughout. Freshly painted with neutral colors throughout. Large covered rocking chair front porch, a rear concrete patio and oversized gutters. Spacious rooms. Kitchen has a large walk-in pantry, stainless appliances and lots of cabinets. There are 2 primary suites. All bedrooms have walk-in closets. The one in primary bedroom 2 is large. Primary suite 1 includes a sitting room with 2 closets. Primary bath 2 has a single vanity in the main portion of the bathroom plus a second vanity in the water closet. Baths 3 and 4 have double vanities. There is a large bonus room outside of bedrooms 5 and 6. The yard is nicely landscaped. The spacious backyard is partially fenced. This is a must-see. For more information,